Hi, good evening, everybody. Today we have a special program for you. We are going to discuss about our organic banana plantation in today's program. Behind the success of this homegrown banana plantation, we are going to reveal a few secrets which we did in order to transform this soil. From bit of a history of this land plot was once used for pineapple cultivation, and it was back in 1980s. By that time, it was quite popular to use agrochemicals in most cultivated lands. They use urea, phosphates, and potash, and many other herbicides, weedicides, pesticides, hormones, and other agricultural chemicals in order to improve the harvest and also to control weed and pest. As a result, this land plot was not easy to transform. For nearly 30 years, we could not see any transformation. Barely the land was usable, and we regarded it as a barren, unusable land. Then suddenly we come to a point, there should be a way, and we should try to introduce rain gardening concepts in order to beautify the land and also to keep the wetness of the property, improve the water table, and also to transform the tough, hard soil more tillable to make it friendly for agricultural use. At the early stages, the idea was to use rain gardens to in order to retain rainwater and to improve the groundwater level, recharge groundwater, and to sustain water for longer periods of use. Idea was to use the rain water preserved into the ponds through rain gardens and then letting water absorb to the soil again through rain gardens and improve groundwater level as well as the water table in the property. We built up lakes, we built up ponds. Rain gardens were very successful. We were successfully able to save the water for the longer run, and the results were amazing. This garden has started to see a massive transformation in its life. See the harvest of breadfruits, and it is amazing. We have a lot of breadfruit there, and look at the size of these banana today. They are huge. With these results, we thought of sharing our success and secrets of our success. Secret of the success was mostly due to these beautiful rain gardens that we introduced about 2 years before. Rain garden has rain garden based landscape has helped us sustain and preserve rainwater for long use. Not only that, they have become very helpful in keeping the soil wet. Keeping the wetness of the soil is a very important thing because that helps us to till the soil easily. Tillability is one of the most amazing factors that we have successfully able to improve by introducing a rain garden based landscape. In a tropical country, for dry, immediate, intermediate zone like ours, it is very important that we preserve water for later use. Meaning during the monsoon rains, during the monsoon season, we should preserve, we should save water in these ponds. And in order to get there, rain gardens were a massive help. Today we have a landscape which contains rain gardens connected to the natural ponds. And that landscape has been successfully helping us to keep the wetness of the soil and to save water for agriculture. And also we have now enough water sources for entertainment and recreation as well. The second factor for our success is the right choice of plant mix, which is really important. But in today's episode, we are not going to talk about that. However, diversified plant list has helped us to sustain the income as well. There are times that some crops may fail during some seasons, but by maintaining a diverse crop, maintaining a mixed crop, it will help us cover the losses. So therefore, there were two benefits by introducing diversity. They help us sustain economically, and then they help us rejuvenate the soil. That comes to the end of this program. See you. Keep in touch. Bye bye.